Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey with iFixit, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the headphone jack on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. For this repair, you're going to need an eye opener, a suction handle, iFixit opening picks, a spudger, a Phillips 00 screwdriver, and tweezers. We also recommend using a magnetic mat for this repair. It'll keep your screws organized and safe from rolling away. Start by making sure that your phone is off, and use your eye opener to heat up the back panel to soften the adhesive, and repeat if necessary. If the adhesives continue to give you a hard time, try using the heat gun or a hairdryer. Lay your suction cup on the phone as close to the heated edge as possible. Then use your pick to cut away the adhesive all around the edges. Once you have a portion of the panel separated, insert a pick to keep the adhesive from resealing. Work your pick around the phone, cutting all the adhesive, but be careful. Don't slide the pick in too far or else you might damage the fingerprint sensor. Once you have all the adhesive cut, lift the panel and disconnect the fingerprint sensor. On the midframe, you have 16 Phillips 00 screws that hold the NFC antenna, wireless charging coil, and the speaker. Once you've removed these screws and components, go ahead and disconnect the battery. Going down towards the charging port, remove one screw and disconnect the cable holding the headphone jack in place. Use a pair of tweezers to lift it out. That's all for this repair. Be sure to hit subscribe so you have our next repair videos in your back pocket for your next fix. I'll see you next time.